Hey everybody, it's Neil and I want to show you what I have here. I have this chair, this YWUFUART chair. It's a gray swing chair. We're going to put this together so you'll get to see the assembly and time lapse and whatever else. Okay, so here it is, completed. You can kind of see it's got the egg shape and it's hanging. I had to put the, the bolt up there to hold that. The spring, the string, this here. I'm missing one of these screws right here, but it seems to work anyways. And then we have it hanging and it looks nice. I'm gonna try it out for the first time with y'all. So if I go crashing to the floor, then you know I put it together wrong. Oh, that holds me for sure, easy. Oh, this is comfortable. Okay, I'm sleeping here tonight. This is awesome. Okay, if you guys don't have one of these things, get one. I mean, that's all I can say. Just get one. This is the best. It's so comfy. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. I love it. Thumbs up. Well, this is the best. Just sitting there in this chair. I gotta say, this is like the greatest thing ever. This chair is so comfortable. Oh man, it's got the padding down there. Perfect size. I could fit here, my arms across. You could squeeze two people in here if you really wanted to. It might be difficult, but I like it.